everybody. I was out pulling weeds and just generally checking my garden, and look what I found munching in my garden. Yeah, look at that sucker. That thing is as big as my finger. Well, he's not long for the world. He was making his debut here on Facebook, but he's gonna go out and feed Mr. Bass out there in just a few moments. Check him out. Well, I decided I needed to make my pest be gone, so I made my homemade spray. Real simple, water, a little bit of dish soap, and they hate peppermint, and they hate even more rosemary. So I put that in there, and I'm just gonna go spray down the plants now. It's better to do it at night or first thing in the morning before the sun starts beating on it. I wished I had done it last night, and then this guy would not have eaten off all the leaves on this one. Can you believe how big that sucker is? That's as big as my finger. That just really grosses me out. Anyway, I'm gonna start getting out there and spraying so I don't have any more. Just thought you'd be interested, because that is a prize winning worm, isn't it? See ya.